Hello, happy early Thanksgiving, y'all. It is 8:17 a.m. I woke up about 3 to 4 minutes ago, very early to prepare the damn turkey. Because of my work schedule, we're celebrating Thanksgiving, cooking the dinner a day early. Here is our big butterball turkey, premium. It's a big boy turkey. We're gonna get it ready in a couple of minutes. But first, I'm gonna be drinking my coffee. That should wake me up a little bit. So I just ripped through this thing. Should be almost ready to rip open this. It says no knives or scissors needed. So I'm just supposed to be easily able to rip through this with my bare hands and fingers like I'm the Hulk. But no, because it's me, I do need scissors or knife. I just finished ripping up the turkey. Very cold. There's the big boy. Very large turkey. Can't wait to eat them. I'd like to thank this turkey for its sacrifice. I will eat the whole turkey. That way, it didn't lose its life, it didn't sacrifice its life for nothing. So, very thankful for this turkey. We're gonna eat here in honor of Thanksgiving. Thank you for giving your life for our hunger. Very much appreciated, Mr. Turkey. I just now got done removing its guts and neck and everything from the inside that we don't eat. So, turkey is ready to cook. So, here's the turkey stuffed with some green leaves there, some herbs or whatever they're called on both sides, the butt and where the head used to be, and we buttered him up. So our big bird fella friend here is ready to go. So I put 2 seasonings on the turkey and some more leaves here, herbs on top of it. And now we just gotta cover him up with foil and stuff him into the stove. While we wait on the turkey, we're gonna have some pie. So we got us some 2 different types of pie. We got this pecan pie, that's my favorite. And this one seems to be the favorite of my wife, the lemon meringue pie. Both look delicious. Of course, our holiday themed paper plates here. This is for the pie, and that's for the dinner later on. It says to pass the pie. I'm ready to eat the pie. So, in about half an hour, the turkey should finally be done. It's been all day. And so I'm gonna get started on the stuffing. Right here, we use these brands in case you're wondering. It says they are for turkey. So do not use on chicken or roosters or pork, just for turkeys. And this is all the ingredients we use the past several years: pineapples, walnuts, pecans, and cranberries. Oh my, all mixed in here with the stuffing in the box. That should be enough, but we're starving, so we got 2. The more, the merrier. The more, the merrier. Look at that. Look, hear that crunch. Nice. 1 cup of cranberries, 1 cup of walnuts, plus a cup of pecans. Then the pineapples. Boom. Some more pineapples. Voila. Doesn't that look just delicious? Very good looking. But we gotta cook it first. We got the potatoes boiling, and on the other side we got the corn cooking. So the feast is ready. Let me show you. Look at that big turkey. So delicious. Ready to eat. Looks good, doesn't it? Nice and very cooked. Awesome. Can't wait to eat it. The smashed potatoes, the corn, the brown gravy for the mashed potatoes. If you want, you can put it on turkey as well. The stuffing is done. The bread is done as well. Nice and crispy. Very good. The cranberry. Look at that. Looks just delicious. My plate with my biscuits, corn, gravy. Looks good. I'm ready to eat, y'all.